Cordell Davenport here with SmallApartmentInvestors.com. The goal is to be a resource for current and future apartment owners of 5 to 50 units. And the method that is preached, is promoted, is to follow a formula. And that's mindset plus skill set plus performance equals results. In my videos, I talk about either mindset or skill set. This one is talking about skill set. And in particular, it's going to talk about 11 ways to increase the net operating income with your apartment building. Here we go. Numero uno, conserve water. So now these are not in order, like if it's important to do this one, do this one, and this one. These are just overall 11. You can pick and choose how you want to implement it. So number one is conserve water, saving water. Toilets, shower heads have low flowing faucets. And when the tenant moves out of the apartment building, check for drips, check for leaks. This is your opportunity to do a survey to find out what's really going on within the unit. 2, rebates. Collect rebates. You can check with your city about rebates on water savings, energy saving, landscaping, heat reducing items, and solar power panels. Cut some costs, trim the cost. You can convert a metered property to be a sub-metered property. You can protest assessed tax valuations to have them lowered. And if you know how to do that, you can find consultants who can help you to do so. Rather than pay a full-time manager, have an on-site manager who receives free or cut rate rent in exchange for picking up trash, delivering notices, or any type of other items that you can see that's needed to operate the property. Get good software. Property management and or bookkeeping software can help you identify unnecessary costs. It helps create systems, checklists, and you can keep on track of income for tax deductible expenses as well. Track vacancies. Good data can reveal ways to reduce vacancies. Try doing exit interviews to understand why people are moving from your property. Review contracts. An annual review of the cost of all products and services used by the apartment operation can reveal opportunities for savings. Get 3 bids every single time when you are paying for a service. Just don't go with the first one. Cut insurance costs. To save on insurance premiums, raise policy deductibles, eliminate unnecessary or duplication coverage, shop around for cheaper rates, group buildings under an umbrella liability policy, or make alterations to the building itself. Raise your rents. Be sure to compare rents for apartments that are similar in size, similar in location, as well as amenities within the area of your property. Laundry rooms. You can have a company pay you a fee to have their products on your property that they install. You sign a lease with them, they service it, and you both share profits. Or you can do it yourself and have contractors service it. Short-term rentals. Have several apartments for quote-unquote corporate housing. These will be fully furnished apartments that you can rent out on a temporary basis. So one good option is like traveling nurses, or have it be corporate housing, as I mentioned. So it's not just over the weekend, but you can do it like for a minimum of 30 days. You can charge a huge fee for that. Charge extra fees. These consist of monthly pet fees, storage space fees, enforcing late fees, charging extra for late rent. That's it. Those are the 11 ways. Continue to check out the website as I post new videos. Thanks.